Hi, I'm Natalie MacNeil, and you are watching She Takes on the World TV, your weekly dose of soaring inspiration and practical advice to turn your small business into something big. In today's episode, we are going to talk about finding the perfect new hire for your business and how the right job description will make that person find you instead. Getting ready to hire a new team member can be tricky, especially if it's your first hire. There's an overwhelming number of resources out there for posting job listings. I've personally found my best team members through a mix of trusted referrals and experts from Upwork.com. Regardless of what service you use though, writing an engaging job description is the key to helping you attract more and better applicants. Today, I'm going to share 6 rules for creating a job description that will result in the best, most qualified person finding you. Are you ready to write your job description? Get out a pen and paper and we will get started. So here are my 6 rules. Rule number 1. If your company isn't business formal, your job description shouldn't be either. Your ideal job description will reflect your unique brand and brand voice. Rule number 2 is to clearly explain who you are as a company, what you're looking for, and exactly what you need. Talk about your team dynamic right now, including any tools that you use to communicate. Next up is to intersperse a few key details throughout your description to help you weed out anyone who just skimmed your ad and clicked submit resume. For example, I might add in one of my job descriptions at the start of the letter to open with a simple "Dear Natalie," and in the last line, tell me one crazy, interesting, fun fact about you. And only about 10% of applicants end up following that simple instruction, and all the rest get cut, and then it makes my applicant pool a little bit smaller and easier to work through. Rule number 4, let applicants know if this position could lead to the possibility of more hours, promotions, or full-time opportunities. It's so important that a new hire knows exactly where he or she will fit into your business. Rule number 5, set expectations around the level of help that you need. So, do you want one person who can dedicate all of her time with you, or are you comfortable working alongside a fellow entrepreneur and being one of several clients? And rule number 6, if you're hiring a creative position like a web designer, for instance, be sure to ask for references as well as her portfolio. And make sure you actually follow up with those references. I know so many people who skip this important step and end up very disappointed later on. My actionable for you this week is to write this job description for your next hire. Even if you won't be hiring for another month or even 6 months, you will be ready to go with an attention-grabbing ad that will attract your perfect candidate when the time is right. I would love for you to share your tips for writing job descriptions and hiring new team members in the comments over at shetakesontheworld.com, where you can also download my free 14-day Conquer course for entrepreneurs. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'll see you next time on She Takes on the World TV. I hope you liked the episode of She Takes on the World TV you just watched, and if you did, I would love to invite you to take my free 14-day Conquer course to turn your small business into something big. Come on over to shetakesontheworld.com/Conquer course to sign up.